Howdy, howdy, guys. Welcome back to cruzermans inventions, first of all, and part 3 of the new alternator bike build, which is 72 volts times 2, running 110 amp alternator. This is a quick update since the last part 2, and third front end. It's looking pretty sweet, guys. Got that 2000 watt controller going in it. Got all the handlebars done. The box is done. I gotta do the sides and the top yet. The top bar's done. I gotta finish off from here to here, and then the backrest, and then the last bolting mount come across down. So yeah, guys, this is what it looks like. Oh, and it's been raining hard out here for 2 weeks, solid, just raining, so I haven't had a chance to go out and actually do much on the bike. We had one fine day yesterday, and so I went at it and I got all that top done, which was pretty cool. And pretty cool, guys. Yeah, pretty cool. So this is just a quick update, guys, on it, and there's a look at the controller. I got a 6-speed gearbox box I made, guys. No clock in it. Took the throttle off, and then this is the throttle I'll be using with the volts meter, bullet handlebars, and key packets of these that I get, female ones and then the male ones. $7 a packet, $7 for 10. So yeah, pretty cool, guys. I'm fitting 14 of these batteries in this battery bay. Yep. So that's an extra 2, of course, for the center mag. It's on DC, and the outside field wires here run off the controller. It is getting there, guys, and yep, everything takes a long time, that's for sure, especially when it rains all the time. Whew, there was a lot of rain. We had a lot of flooding here, and it's good to see the sun again, that's for sure. Awesome stuff, guys. Yep, like I said, this is just a quick update, part 3, guys. I haven't named her yet, so if you can think of a name, put it in the descriptions, guys. That'll be funny. It's all about distance and finding the middle ground with this bike. It's running a 110 amp alternator, reconverted, of course. The bridge rectifier's been taken out of it, and should run like a champ, quite economical. These 110 alternators here come out of a, see this? It actually runs fatter wire, which is actually more economical. But yeah, you've all seen my other bikes and stuff. You can see them anytime on my channel, guys. I got a few different bikes there to look at, so it's pretty cool. A lot of fun, these bikes, and I can't wait until this bad boy is up and running. It'll be awesome. Beautiful. Okay, guys. Should see yous and another update coming up soon, guys. So, cool. Cruzerman out, guys. Big hi to all my new subscribers too. Thank you, guys, for watching and supporting my channel as much as you do. I've got a lot of content on my channel about all kinds of stuff. So Pretty cool stuff. Good to know. Cool, cool. Cruiser man out.